my name is Alison Leighton and I'm the creator of the Castorvida Castor Oil Pack. Today I'll be showing you how you can use your pack to help support and manage your IBS symptoms. As a nutritional therapist and colonic hydrotherapist, I see lots of clients that really struggle with IBS symptoms, be it bloating, trapped wind, constipation, diarrhea, or alternating between the two. And for some of you, these symptoms can be life-changing and debilitating. Castor oil packs can help improve constipation and digestive orders because of the unique characteristics inside castor oil. Castor oil is made up of 90% of ricinoleic acid, and it's this ricinoleic acid that helps to absorb deep into the tissue of the skin, the dermis, where it gets then absorbed into the tissues and organs. Ricinoleic acid helps to stimulate smooth muscle contraction. The muscle in your small intestine is made up of the smooth muscle, and once it's contracted, it helps to push food and waste through the digestive system and may help to stimulate a bowel movement. Having regular bowel movements means that less toxins and hormones get reabsorbed and recirculated in the body, and it also means that inflammation decreases, and so does bloating. Castor oil packs can also help with the opposite, with diarrhea, because it helps to regulate digestive disorders and the digestive system. Remove your castor oil and castor oil pack from the packaging and lay the pack with the shiny side on the bottom. The fleece side faces upwards. Then you're going to take your castor oil and pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of the castor oil in the center of the pack, avoiding the seams. Fold your pack in half and spread the castor oil around. Take your pack, and for any digestive disorders, you're going to be placing the pack on your abdomen area, and you're going to take the ties, tie it around the front, and then the bottom ties. For any discomfort such as bloating, or if you're in a lot of pain, a nice hot water bottle or wheat pack will fit in nicely in between the straps and the pack. I hope you found this information useful and that it brings some comfort to your IBS symptoms. Please like, share and subscribe, and leave us any comments below.